Pricing of commodities for future or forward contracts. In this video we will solve a problem on pricing of commodity futures, pricing of commodities. In earlier videos we have solved problems on financial futures. In this video we will solve problem on commodity futures. The formula for commodity futures is F naught is equal to S naught plus C. Here C is nothing but cost of carrying, and E to the power RT, whereas F naught future or forward price, forward or future price, and S naught is spot price, and R is rate of interest. T maturity period, C cost of carrying, here capital C, cost of carrying. Here we have to calculate the present value of cost of carrying. It is mentioned in capital. And for calculating present value of cost of carrying, the formula is C is equal to C into E to the power minus RT, whereas C is nothing but the cost of storing, etc. It will be given in problem in rupees or maybe in percentage. So let's see one problem. Consider 6-month gold future contract of 100 grams. Assume that the spot price is rupees 480 per gram and its cost is rupees 3 per gram for 6 months period to store gold, and that cost incurred at the end of the period. If rate of interest is 12% per annum, what would be the future price and value of the contract? Okay, see here 6 month time is given and contract of 100 gram, contract size is 100 gram and the spot price is rupees 480, and this is the cost C, small c. Okay, for 6 month, again it is for 6 month, and next one is 12% rate of interest, R is given, and this is the T. What would be the future price? You have to calculate the future price and value of contract. See the solution. Write down given data. Spot price is given, that is rupees 480, and rate of interest is given 12%. It means 12 by 100. We will get 0.12. Next, T is given 6 month, 6 by 12, 0.5. Cost is given for storing, that is rupees 3 per gram for gold. Next, contract size is given in the problem. This is required to calculate the value of the contract, 100 grams. Okay, now write down the formula. F naught is equal to S naught plus C into E to the power RT. First of all, we have to calculate the C, cost of carrying. Cost of carrying formula is C is equal to C into E to the power minus RT. C is equal to C. It is given in the problem, rupees 3 per gram. Rupees 3, we have to calculate the present value of cost of carrying. Okay, E into to the power minus R is given 0.12 and T, that is 0.5. 3 into 1 minus, multiply this both. After multiplying we will get 0.06. C is equal to 3 into, deduct it from 1, we will get 0.94. 3 into 0.94, we will get 2.82. This is the cost of carrying. Put this data into this formula. Rupees 480 is the spot price, and whatever we have calculated the cost right here, e to the power r, 0.12 into 0.5. Future price is equal to, add this both, 480 plus 2.82, we will get 482.82 into 1 plus, multiply this both, 0.12 into 0.5, then we will get 0.06. Future price is equal to 482.82 into 1.06. Future price is equal to 482.82 into 1.06. We will get rupees 511.81. This is called future price. Again we have to calculate the value of contract. Value of contract. And for calculating value of the contract, the formula is future price into value of the contract is equal to future price into contract size. Future price, whatever you have calculated, write down rupees 511.81, and the contract size is given in the problem, that is 100. Multiply this, rupees 51,181. This is value of contract. Value of contract. See this problem. It is similar to the problem which I have solved in this video. Pause the video and take the screenshot of display and solve the problem. And comment your answer. Also comment me whether you understand the problem or not.